Hello everyone, myself Thakkar Mrudit Ajay Kumar studying in FY BCom. Today I am going to present a short presentation on production function. So first let us begin with the definition of production function. The term production function refers to the relationship between the inputs and outputs produced by the firm. A firm that wants to produce something has to coordinate the factors of production, and in addition, it has to procure and use other inputs. The term input is wider than factors of production. All those goods and services that a firm uses in the process of production may be termed as inputs. A function expresses a relationship between input and output under conditions of given technology. That is, a production function exhibits a purely technical relationship which connects factor inputs and outputs. Thus, the relationship between inputs and outputs is known as production function. It includes all technically efficient methods of production. Thus, given the technical conditions of production, the output of a particular type of good depend on the quantity of two or more inputs. The production function can be expressed as given on the screen. Now, let us study about the assumptions of production function. The production function rests on two main assumptions. State of technology remains the same during the given period of time. If there is change in technology, it would result in an alteration of the input-output relationship depicted by the production function. It is assumed that the firms utilize their inputs at the maximum level of efficiency. That is, production function includes all technically efficient methods of production. It may be noted here that if a production function includes only a single technical efficient method, it is called a one process production function. And if it includes two efficient processes, it is known as two process production function. Let's study about the forms of production function. Mainly, there are three forms of production function. Production function relating to increasing returns or economies of scale. Production function relating to constant returns, or production function relating to diminishing returns or diseconomies of scale. Production function relating to increasing returns or economies of scale. When the proportionate increase in output is greater than the proportionate increase in all inputs, it is said to be production function relating to increasing returns. To put it differently, with the given factors and technology, if more output can be obtained or if the same output can be obtained with the use of less quantity of factors than used earlier, it is known as production function with increasing returns. If the price of the factors remains the same, we get production function with diminishing cost. Production function relating to constant returns. When the proportionate increase in all the inputs is equal to the proportionate increase in output, it is said to be production function with constant returns. If the factor prices remains the same, we get production function with constant cost. Production function relating to diminishing returns or diseconomies of scale. When the proportionate increase in output is less than the proportionate increase in all inputs, it is said to be production function with diminishing returns. In other words, with the given factors and technology, if less output is obtained or if more factors are required to obtain the same output as earlier, it is known as production function with diminishing returns. If the factor prices remains the same, we get same production function with increasing cost. So this is as far as production function is concerned. Thank you.